It's resin, yeah. So the base was donated to us from a company down in San Diego. They're named Flowyline Design, and they do elegant, like figured shapes, flowy. They're one of my favorite companies to work with. So thank you to them, and we'll plug them on the social media stuff. I love community connections, and I love how every different connection you have feeds a different purpose or a different personality or different need. And when I was creating this, what my concept, my idea was when I started was each one of these puzzle pieces is a little bit different shaped and a little bit different color, a little bit different wood. What you guys get to do here is combine all those different shapes, colors, pieces, and create a uniform whole that works better with all of the pieces connecting. And so my goal with this piece was to kind of represent that and then have it, if you look at it right and the light hits it, I've got pink resin that comes along each joint and then flows into here and kind of goes into and pools up in the corner. It's a way to bring all of the pieces together, to be a team, to be supportive, but all still hold on to the unique aspect of who you are.